Good morning, students. Today you will study Geography chapter 2. The topic is water. Student, this video is for class 8. Student, in the previous video, in chapter 2, I have covered resources like land and soil. And today's topic is water. It is also resource. Now, students, let us understand what is water. See, student, water is वाइटल रिन्यूएबल नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. यह एक रिन्यूएबल प्राकृतिक रिसोर्स है. एंड 3/4 ऑफ द वाटर इज अवेलेबल. इट इज ओशन वाटर. इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट 3 हिस्सा जल है और 1 हिस्सा ज़मीन है हमारे अर्थ पर. एंड 2.7% is fresh water available in lakes, river, ponds, and in 2.7%, 70%, student, please pay attention here, 70% is in the form of ice and glacier, and 1% is fit for human use. Only 1% is water for able to 1% is water for drinking is available. Student, do you know that the water neither added nor subtracted? It means, student, the amount of the water cannot be increased or cannot be subtracted or decreased. Means the amount of the water is the same on the earth. So we see the water available with the help of or by the process of water cycle. So how the water is available in front of us? See here, water cycle. Suppose you know the water is available in the ocean. So from ocean it goes to the air, then it again comes in the river, you can say in the form of the raining, and then it comes groundwater, or then it can go to the lake, pond, and then again by the method of the evaporation it will go to the again ocean. The same process continues, and this is known as water cycle. So with the help of this water cycle, water is available in front of us. Now you know this happens just because of the evaporation, just because of the heat of the sun. The water goes up, and then again it by the precipitation. Precipitation, student, means it is the form of raining or dew or fog. Means it will be precipitation will be done in the form of raining, or you can say dew or fog. Okay, student. Now let us understand water scarcity or shortage. इट मीन्स स्टूडेंट, जो पानी की हमें इस समय इस पृथ्वी पर सभी को समस्याएं हो रही हैं, दिक्कत हो रही है, पानी की कमी है, इसको स्कैर्सिटी बोलते हैं. सो व्हाई, व्हाट इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट? व्हाई द वाटर स्कैर्सिटी? व्हाई द वाटर शॉर्टेज? सो देयर आर सम रीजन. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. Reasons are over exploitation of water. We are using water, we are exploiting water. Means we are using more water. We are just in the comparison of what we need, we are using more. So we should not use it more. We must save water. Next, variation in seasonal or annual precipitation. Variation means sometimes it may rain more, and sometimes it may rain less. So these are the region, and you know the raining is the source of water available for us. Next student, what are the next is the region of water shortage is contamination. Here contamination means, student, to mix pollutant or pollution in water, or to make the water dirty. So the main contamination here, student, contamination. What are the main contamination? Discharge of untreated sewage. जो नहरों के माध्यम से जो पानी जो हमारे ग्राउंड वाटर में जाता है, तालाबों में, पॉन्ड्स में, रिवर्स में जो जाता है, वो अनट्रीटेड होता है. उसको ट्रीट करके, मतलब उसको अच्छी तरीके से प्रोसेस करके, उसमें जो कॉन्टेमिनेशन होता है उसको फिल्टर नहीं किया जाता है, जिसके वजह से हमारा जो वाटर होता है वो पॉल्यूट हो जाता है, कॉन्टेमिनेट हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट, एग्रीकल्चर केमिकल्स. वी ऑल्सो मीन्स एग्रीकल्चर केमिकल्स ऑल्सो go to the or mix in the water. That's why the water becomes contaminated. So these are the regions of वाटर शॉर्टेज. ये जो रीजन है जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया है, ये पानी की कमी के कारण है, जिसको आपको ध्यान में रखना है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस स्टूडेंट. सो स्टूडेंट, नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू कंजर्व वाटर. मीन्स यू हैव सीन दैट वी हैव प्रॉब्लम ऑफ वाटर शॉर्टेज. सो व्हाट वी कैन डू, व्हाट आर द ways to conserve water, to save water. So first way is to afforestation. Afforestation, students, means we must plant more and more trees so that it will balance our environment, and it will due to this there will be more raining. So automatically we will have water. And we must also do rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? Suppose, student, if it is raining, and if we can collect the water from the roof in any you can say any pots or well, so that in future we can use, like we can use for the irrigation or for any other purposes. So this will help in water saving. So this is the rainwater harvesting, and it is mainly used in dry area, like in Rajasthan. It is more useful. And now third step is we can do drip irrigation. So with the process of the drip irrigation, we can save water. How? See, student, in this process drip irrigation, what we do that we put the water in the root, and so in this way the water does not waste, and it requires only what it's needed. It gets only what it needed. So Israel is the example, which Israel is a country. This country use the method of drip irrigation. So in this way these are the process to conserve the water. So today, now student, let us revise what you have read today. That I told you that water, it is a renewable natural resource, and it is 3/4 of water, means 3 हिस्सा जल है और 1 हिस्सा लैंड है हमारे अर्थ पर. एंड वी हैव ओनली 2.7% ऑफ द फ्रेश वाटर, इन विच 70% इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ आइस एंड ग्लेशियर, एंड आई टोल्ड यू 1% इज ओनली फॉर द यूज ऑफ ड्रिंकिंग. नाउ I told you student that water cannot be added or subtracted, means the water, the amount of the water is the same, and water is available in the form of or in water cycle. Like you have I have taught you that suppose this is the water cycle. The water from ocean, it goes to air, then river, then it comes to groundwater, or then it comes to lake or pond, then again it goes to ocean. And the process by which this water cycle happens: evaporation and precipitation. I told you what is precipitation, that is raining or in the form of dew and fog. Then I explain you water scarcity regions, that is why it is water is less available on earth, just because of the wasting or water or overusing of water. And sometimes it may happen that variation in the seasonal annual rainfall, sometimes it rains less or sometimes it rains more. And third reason I told you that we are contaminating water through the discharge of untreated sewage or agriculture chemicals. Then in the last I told you the way to conserve water, that is three way I told you: afforestation, rainwater harvesting and drip irrigation. Thank you students. I have homework. Okay student, this is the homework. The first question is multiple choice question. That one, question number 1 is which one of the following is not in favor of the conservation of nature. यानी इसका मतलब ये है कि कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचर यानी नेचर के कंजर्वेशन में कौन सा जो है फेवर में नहीं है. तो ये 3 ऑप्शन है जो आपको बताना है. स्विच ऑफ द बल्ब व्हेन नॉट इन यूज, हम जब बल्ब का यूज ना हो तो बंद कर देना चाहिए. सेकेंड, क्लोज द टैप इमीडिएटली आफ्टर यूजिंग, जब हमें टैप को यूज करने के बाद हमें तुरंत इसको बंद कर देना चाहिए. एंड थर्ड इज डिस्पोज द पॉली पैक्स आफ्टर शॉपिंग, मीन्स शॉपिंग करने के बाद हमें पॉली पैक्स को यानी पॉलीथीन वाले जो बैग होते हैं उनको हमें फेंक देना चाहिए. सो यू हैव टू टेल द आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इज व्हाट इज वाटर, जल क्या है, एंड राइट 2 रीजन्स ऑफ वाटर शॉर्टेज. पानी की कमी के 2 आपको रीजन लिखना है कि वाई वाटर शॉर्टेज आर हैपनिंग. एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज सजेस्ट 3 वेज टू कंजर्व वाटर. 3 आपको उपाय बताने हैं, तरीके बताने हैं, स्टेप्स बताने हैं. दैट व्हाट आर द 3 वेज टू कंजर्व वाटर. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो, दिस टॉपिक वाटर. थैंक यू.